Right, lining up, please, lining up. Do not go round again. Do not go round again. So it is your C final four-wheel drive. It is champion Lana, Miller. Wright, Ingston, Hayden Ball, Miller, Colgate and Colgate. God. So we've got 3 Millers, 2 Colgates. So that's going to be nice to call in this one, isn't it? Right, can someone please sort out the grid? Thank you. In or outside, 1? Inside, car 1's going on the inside. Get up onto the point 1 then please, quick as we can. Right, you've got to find point 10. Yeah, I'll do point 7. Go on. There you go. Point 7, down there. Right, listen up. Just keep it clean. You know you want to. Right, here's the final. It's going to be nice and clean. Okay, let's not. Let's take the first person we touch out. So that one's the only one that got away. It's a final, boys and girls. Remember that? Watch the tagging. Come on. Let's not then. Right, sort it out, gentlemen. Here's the final. You're not supposed to wipe people out. So 1 from 5 from 6. That is your race order.
Fastest lap car 1, fastest lap car 5, fastest lap car 6.
So it's Colgate, Ingston, Wright. Champion, Lana, Miller, Ball.
1 minute into the race. First place car 1, second place car 5, third place car 6, fourth place car 10, and in fifth place car 9. Fastest lap
Keep it
car
clean,
1,
drivers.
fastest lap car 5.
See your race leaders coming down the straight all together. They are battling for first, second and third. We're nice and tidy of you guys. Be careful, Marshall. So your race leaders coming in front of race control.
Fastest lap car 3.
1, 5, 6. Round the step corner he goes, onto the carousel.
Fastest
Looks
lap
like
car
6
9.
has come up in the second place now. Right, the race leader's coming round. That's a broken car. Race leader, car 1, making a big mistake.
Change of leader to car 6. 2 minutes into the race. First place car 6, second place car 1, third place car 5, fourth place car 3, and in fifth place car 8.
5 and 3, you've got to keep it clean and watching as you go down the straight. So car 5 losing his third place. Watch how he come back on. This looks like 2's taking the lead from 1, then 3. Keep it clean down that back straight. Let me call you through. Watch the tagging 1 and 6.
Car 6, second place car 1, third place car 9, fourth place car 8, and in fifth place car 2. Car 5 about to be lapped.
5, got race leader behind you, please. Thank you.
Car 10 about to be lapped.
6, 8, 9 on the clock with a minute and a half to go. Race leader on the step corner and then on the carousel. That is car 6, I believe it's James.
4 minutes into the race.
Dead
First
car on the
place, car
straight,
6,
go on the
second
inside,
place,
go on
car
the
3,
inside.
third place, car 9,
Inside,
fourth place,
still
car
there,
8,
Marshall
and in
there.
fifth
You're
place,
clear,
car 2.
Marshall. Get off the track, go, go, go. Right, that's clear, gentlemen, well done, Marshals.
Car 5 about to be lapped. Car 10 about to be lapped.
Car 10, you've got the race leader coming up on you. "20 seconds to go. Still 6 in the lead. James from Simon Miller, then Lana, then Colgate, then George Miller, Richard Miller. It's a Miller Fest.
Car 5 about to be lapped. 8's finished. 7's finished. 3's finished. 2's finished. 6's finished. 9's finished. 10's finished. 5's finished. Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place
James Wright,
second place
Simon Miller,
third place
Matthew Colgate,
fourth place
Chris Lana,
fifth place
George Miller,
sixth place
Richard Miller,
seventh place
Barry Champion,
eighth place
James Instone,
ninth place,
Neil Colgate,
and in 10th place
Darren Hayden Ball,